Hi, my name is Martin. I am the marketing director for RVA Delivered. On behalf of our CEO, I would like to thank you for allowing us to help you on your journey to make money from home. I will be guiding you through the next couple of steps. Below this video, you will see 2 links. The first link will be to your all-in-one marketing platform. This platform is essential to your success. It is the same platform that all of our websites and funnels are built on. As a business partner, you will be given not only an exclusive offer to get started using it, but we will also create your first funnel for you so that you can get started on the right track with as little learning curve as possible. Now the link below, that link will give you access to the #1 video creation tool in the world. This is one of our biggest secrets to success. It will allow you to create all kinds of videos, especially videos like the one you're looking at now, which will allow you to make money without having to personally being on camera. If you're like millions of people who understand that you have to create content in order to be successful online, but you're afraid to be on camera, this solves that problem. You will be given free access to this program and also free training to learn how to use this easy drag and drop software. In the final step, we want to continue our partnership with you by inviting you to join our free private Facebook group, where you will get access to additional free training to help you on your journey. And that's it. Just as promised, no hidden surprises, no additional training upsells. That's the difference between being a customer and a partner. Thanks again for your time.